Welcome to Wellness on Whyte. Thank you for joining me. My name is Sandra and I am an acupuncturist and esthetician. Today I'm excited to teach you all about how to use your Facial Gua Sha Tool in your daily skincare routine. These particular Gua Sha tools are made from rose quartz. It is the crystal of unconditional love, self-love, and compassion. Gua Sha is an ancient Chinese medical modality that originated in the year 1368. Gua Sha. Gua means to scrape, and Sha means sand. This describes the appearance of the skin after having Gua Sha done. It looks like tiny red petechiae or red sand on the skin. Facial Gua Sha promotes healthy circulation of qi and blood, and it activates the lymphatic drainage system for detox of the skin. It also helps to soften fine lines and wrinkles and to alleviate any pain or tension in the facial muscles. Before we start, here's what you'll need. A facial oil of your choice that provides a nice glide on the skin, and your Facial Gua Sha tools. After I've cleansed my hands and face, I go ahead and spritz with a little bit of facial mist or toner, and then I add my facial oil. Generally, 3 to 5 drops is enough facial oil to cover your face. However, if your skin is feeling a bit more dry, please go ahead and use a little bit more. After applying your facial oil, we will be starting with our flat Facial Gua Sha tool. On one side of the face, we will start from the middle of the chin to the front of the ear. We will use the V shape in the Gua Sha tool to hug our jawline from the middle of the chin to the front of the ear. Let's do this movement 5 times in total. When we reach the front of the ear, we will give a little bit of a wiggle. This helps to stimulate the lymphatic drainage system to help detoxify our skin. In the next step, I will be using my 2 fingers to act as an anchor around the skin of my lips. We will start from the corner of the lips towards our hairline. Here we will use the larger flat edge of the Gua Sha tool. This motion really helps to lift our face and sculpt our cheeks. In the next step, we will be starting from the corner of the nose towards our hairline. As you do this motion, you'll notice that your nasal passageways will slowly decongest and you'll be able to breathe a little bit more freely and deeply. When we promote circulation towards the temples and the temporal muscles, we can also prevent the onset of headaches. In our next step, we will be utilizing one of the notches of our Gua Sha tool to trace the under eye area. It is very crucial to use feather-light pressure as we are dealing with very delicate skin. We will work from the inner corner of the eye and move towards the temples. This step is amazing for under eye puffiness, dark circles, and helping to soften any fine lines. In the next step, we will hold our Gua Sha tool horizontally and move from our brows upwards towards our hairline. This motion really helps to alleviate tension in the forehead muscles and helps to lift up our brows. After completing gua sha on half of your face, I encourage you to pause the video and look into the mirror and really compare the differences that you see. Now we will continue to gua sha the other side of the face, beginning from the middle of the chin towards the front of the ear. Next, from the corner of our lips towards the hairline. Next, from the corner of our nose towards the hairline. Next, from the inner corner of the eye towards the temples. Next, from the brows upwards towards our hairline. I like to end my facial gua sha routine with acupressure on this point in between the eyebrows called Impressions Gate. It really helps to calm the mind. Next, we will be using our facial roller. We will be using the roller with the exact same motions as the flat facial gua sha tool, starting from the middle of the chin towards the front of the ear and ending with a little wiggle. From the corner of your lips towards the hairline. From the corner of our nose towards the hairline. Using the smaller side of the facial roller, we will glide the roller from the inner corner of the eyes, under the eyes, towards the temples. In this next step, we will switch to the larger side of the facial roller and move upwards into the hairline and fan out upwards into the other areas of the forehead. Then we will continue to do the exact same thing on the other side of the face. After finishing your facial gua sha routine, you may wash your tools with warm soap and water and let it air dry. Thank you everyone for joining me today. It was so much fun making this video, and I really hope that all of you will have beautiful, happy, glowing skin. At Wellness on Whyte, we will be offering a Mother's Day promotion. When you spend $350 on skincare or makeup, you will receive your very own Osmosis Facial Gua Sha Kit.